Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for how to increase your app installs and how we can increase your app promotions. So if you are launching any app like iOS Android app application, how we can getting for more installs and a particular engagement by using Google Ads. First of all, we can go to the Google, select your Play Store option into the desktop, which application you will be most interact, like any kind of things. So here, I'm just selecting one app is called IOM International Calls and Chat. So it will be supporting for international calls and chat. Select your AdWords campaign. In this selecting option name is called new campaign. There are certain goals are there. The sales, lead, website traffic, everything is there. Here is the option is called app promotion. Get more install, interaction and pre-registration for your app. Select it. In this call, what are the most you will be looking for? App install, app engagement or app pre-registration Android only. So we can app install, they can using for Android and iOS. We have two features. They will be supporting AdWords, will be promoting application only for Android and iOS. Selecting for Android, copy your Play Store link, or you can searching for name also. No need to worry. So link is mandatory, not like that. You can search by the name also. You will be done. So first I'm selecting for app install. Select your app. First your goal will be selected. That is goal will be app install everything. Without goal, we have select option name is called app here. Same will be procedure. But first one is the make a goal. The goal will be in your particular thing. Click for continue. Steps are, we can follow the steps will be mandatory fill. Select here IOM app promotion. We can promote all over India or all countries or anything. So right now I can my target for first India target. So estimation weekly performance 67,013. So it will be. And what are the language you specified? All languages are only for English. So right now I target only for English language. What is your daily budget? I can go with the daily budget will be 1500. And bidding, what you want will be here. Add conversion. We can add conversion. Select your mobile app. Don't use value for the conversion action. Use the value each conversion action. So we can give by 10 rupees for Indian currency. Click for create and continue. It will be called conversion rating. That mean by use the value each conversion action, how much it will be charged. It will be complete charge for 10 rupees option. So this will be click through conversion, engaged view conversion, view through conversion window. These all will be particular conversion option. So those all will be compulsory mandatory fill your particular app promotion purpose. Here. Next. So we already created. So here we can go to this particular campaign. So there is a small misunderstanding. We can go with here. There is nothing to worry. Selected India. Here is this. Selecting for 1500. Suggested target will be CPA cost per install will be 22 rupees. Here is that Insta value. Everything is done. Set a target cost per install. What are your cost per install will be here. Select will be here. For cost per install 12 rupees. Suppose somebody install your app is a 12 rupees. Not accepted. Your campaign is limited by the current daily budget estimate are based on the higher budget of 88 rupees. 816. So bidding wise is not suitable. So what we can go with? Leave it. Insta value is a compulsory. Enter amount will be here. Typical cost per install other app 22 rupees. You can apply for directly here. So what are the they will be intimate? You can target by the particular budget. So each install how much they charge 22 rupees. So they will mention you will be follow the particular condition. Here is the budget. Here is the install will be here. Next, what is your start date and date? We don't mention end date. Anytime you can change your ad, anytime you can change your particular things purpose. I don't change it for adding for end date option. Is a data feed. Attach a feed, improve your targeting to and enable ads that future will be feed items. Dynamic ad feed your Google merchants and feedback. So here, but here I don't have any Google merchant account. So that is called I don't accept this option. Click for save and continue. In a previous, what are the ad you can discuss in the previous, like display anything? What are the campaign and ad group? Same policy will be follow will be here. First campaign, second will be set up ad group. In this ad group, we have the 5 headlines and 5 description, and we can go with option name is called image will be approved for upload by the 20 images. We can upload by the 20 images. Suppose, sir, I don't have any images. What is the problem? Nothing to worry about that. Your problem will be here. So we can copy this. I can use chart. What is the purpose of application? I have to know understanding. Simple, faster video calling. So we can go with option name is called international video call also. So what are the future will be? Instant message app. So what are the description you can write? There will be up to write for 120, 190 characters. It will be up to the so we can writing will be simple method if I am just writing for here. What is application name? I'm writing here. So how many deadlines, how many description you can write? As you wish, can writing a number of things. And this will be ad only for mobile users will be visible. And suppose in this particular ad, any kind of videos also we can display through in a particular option. So here in this, so how it is working here. So here, copy video, searching for YouTube, not for your playlist. Save it. This ad will be shown to the particular YouTube channel that will be by skip ad. And search will be in your particular. This will be, you can see this one, this only for visible by the, only for mobile users. Only visible by the mobile users. So this is the, you have to keep it in mind to work on it on your particular app promotions. Finally, you can upload HTML files. Any templates will be designed. That is the design purpose we have to use for mailchimp.com. This website we can mail HTML file design purpose. We can use this particular templates. What are the source? What are the template you design? Everything will be by after login. The HTML template. How many images? How many videos? Videos will be 20. Images will be 20. So the image and video is mandatory field, not mandatory. Which is a mandatory field? What is your title and description will be mandatory to increase your app installs. First one is the select your country, language, budget. Second option, set up your ad. Ad purpose, what is how you can show your particular ad to the users will be install purpose. Final one is called your final confirmation. Confirmation is called what are the type your ad will be given, budget, installs, all will be give the final confirmation. After final confirmation, you can click the ad. It will be go to this verification purpose. After review, it will be activate from the Google team. So that is confirmation depend on your particular ads and particular your content. One. Always remember any mobile application promotion purpose, it will be only valid for the mobile devices, not for the desktop. So any mobile app promotion, the ads will be not displayed on desktop. Please make a note on your particular mobile app promotion through Google AdWords. Any Google ads to promoting mobile apps only for visible by the mobile phone, not for the desktop. So finally, it will be go to confirmation to click the ad to activate your particular ad option. So this is a final confirmation and continue to campaign will be here. So if you have any particular question about the app promotions and app installs increase and how we can increase your app engagement, that all will be can contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget any particular ad your creation time, your budget, selection will be location, language, and your ad bidding, and that will be selecting for title description. Your ad preview will be most of the people will be important. So this any question you can ask about the app promotion, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.